How to cut a video for your Instagram story and upload only a specific part. This tutorial will show you the easiest method. First, open Instagram app and tap the plus icon to create a new post. Instead of going directly to Story, select Post and choose the video you want to edit. Now, tap Next and then select Edit Video at the bottom. Here, you can trim the video and choose the exact section you want to keep. Simply drag the handles on the timeline until you've selected the part you want to upload. Once you're done, tap the arrow icon and save the edited video to your device. After that, go back to Instagram, open the Story section, and select the saved video. Your trimmed video is now ready to upload as an Instagram story. That's all it takes to cut a video for Instagram story and upload only the part you want. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tutorials.